take it out. Now it's a little bit of practice because you got to figure out where the stitches are coming from and which stitches to pull. So you don't want to pull too hard on a stitch until you're sure it's the right one. Okay, see that one? Once you get it started, it's a lot easier because you'll get the feel for it, for which ones will pull. And now remember, one of these, I don't know which one, but one of these I had split it just so I could show you what it's like to have to deal with correcting a split stitch. Which it's not hard. And one thing you can do every once in a while, just cut the yarn. That's less to run through. Let me see here if I got this loose enough to where I can just do them like this. Okay. Once it gets loose enough, you can do it just like that. But your first few are always the hardest ones to do. See, that one was kind of caught. Excuse me. Okay. Is this the split one? See, look how that one is. That one's kind of split. So I'm going to pull that string out from under, and you can see how that one's split. All I'm going to do is just cut it. Sorry. I'm trying to keep this in the shot. All I'm going to do is cut it, and then it should, don't pull on it real hard, just kind of pulling it light, and then it'll come out. But you don't have to do that any more than what you'd absolutely have to do. Now we're right at the very end. And there it is. Now this string, you'll just take crochet hook. I can move it over one. You don't want to run it through the exact same, sorry. Okay, you don't want to run it through like the exact same hole. So I'm running it through just one over. So just hook that with my crochet hook. Oh, I got another strand with it. Try that again. See, it's coming from here. So I want to wrap it around, kind of stretch it so I'm not catching other strings, and pull that down. Now this is on the inside, so I'm just going to go ahead now and kind of weave that through. A few stitches just to get it out of the way, and then I can go ahead and cut that, and then that string will be done. Right now you're going to see kind of like little holes from where that string was that you pulled out, but those will work their way out, because all you have to do is just kind of stretch it and fluff it up a bit, and then those will be to where you can't see them at all. Now, doing stuff like this, never cut the string right down. Cut it up a bit, and then as this stretches and stuff,